Here's how to turn on anonymous mode on Fortnite. So the first thing that you're going to do is to click on the profile icon that is located at the upper right. After clicking on the icon, you will be able to see there the settings option. Now what you need to do is to click on the gear icon that you can see at the lower right. Once you have already pressed on that, you will be redirected on the page where you will be able to see there the settings. Now go ahead and click on the settings with the gear icon. After clicking on that, you will be redirected on the page where you will be able to see there an option that says about the icon on the display. Now what you need to do is to click on the display options. After clicking on the display options, you will be able to see there the option where it says the display name during regular. Now what you need to do is to turn it off so that you can go ahead and play anonymously on your Fortnite game.